Le Nouvel Hotel. 4 stars. Stay in the heart of Montreal. Featuring a full-service day spa and a beautiful on-site restaurant, this Montreal hotel is just off the Autoroute Ville-Marie. Free Wi-Fi is available. Le Nouvel Hotel and Spa provides elegant, wood-furnished rooms with tile baths. Each room contains cable TV, a coffee maker and ironing facilities. Some include a kitchen or kitchenette. Great stay. Excellent location. Rooms were comfortable including the bed. Wi-Fi worked well. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. I always book at Le Nouvel because of location and friendliness. They always treat me well. A very unique learning experience. Room was spacious and clean. The beds were very comfortable. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press like and subscribe to our channel.